My Lord Bishop, ndị ụkọchukwu anyị, ndị sisters anyị, ndị igwe, ọhaneze n'ebe a, otito dịrị Jesu, otito dịrị Jesu, ụmụaka, ụmụaka. I love Bishop. I can do what you need. Yeah. This is I don't know where they are Pentecostal and Christian. You go by, yes. Oh, it's your work. Oh, none. People, we can govern. Deputy Governor, Mr. Deputy Governor, Honorable, no. When National Chairman, the Speaker, and Honorable, none. Members of our Assembly, under all the bosses, under my bosses, the Secretary of Government. When the House of Reps, House of Reps, and the members of the House. Okay. Mrs. Equipment is here, and our former Deputy Governor, sorry. My friend and brother, Deputy Speaker, no, my friend and brother from Sosito, no, people can put on all the existing protocol. As it was, as it was, if we were to come again, we can even no. Eventually, but I'm saying, I'm media. Over that, you will very, I can not know for the last 2 days. I'm sure not they are putting on the and that is welfare overnight. God will be alone. Vaccinated, not in detention. The life of our capital, sooner the life of our capital, sooner than later. I will see it. Our capital. Even Papa, you again, I can only very for the letter. Then something like that. Okay, make it one better. Now, do not go guys, remember. Okay? So I'm not going to do it because I can extend the problem to if I never thanks give one, I never have one. Because for us, every day we Thanksgiving. Every day we get there Thanksgiving. And actually, immediately after the election, the Catholic Bishop of Anambra declared the 9th day November of Thanksgiving and prayers. And for me, after those 9 days, the Thanksgiving, or the official Thanksgiving celebration, after the 9 days, for me, that was the end. I put it there. After annually, Thursday, every was there, no celebration. I am ready, no party, no celebration, and so on. And even from here, there is nothing. There is no canopy, there is nothing. Just happy and moment. Look at him there. Just how ever now, Seba, Nara, and Hanover, the album, and I let God go to a prison. The same life for today, Emily Group, and celebration of any Emily Group. Get a line of American service by 9. That's how another maybe a hour also. They prison, they by 1 o'clock time, let's say, on the prison today. Once you get one of the prison, I could pack it, I do have any about that. Manakamuze Manakana as well in on Thursday. Emphasis about the poor people. I can also ammonia. Yesterday I was meeting 6:30 p.m. on the number I guess you were accomplished. So that's how I will I also the needed them. But it's a little bit about what but if I for such that normal day, is very and okay, I do my normal address, and when I will celebrate. And one of the times I get celebrate, one later on in my so now my power and all. It never ran number one priority people were asking also get out in the apple, super group and the apple, Okay, so where's now we're not going to celebrate until the apple will be in all over the line. Only for I get training. I get skills. I don't get come I did with the different I don't fall on after I rest I am my celebration. I made all the great made Sakamon, made Sakamon. Heaps of refuge. I will go there. I will share. That's why all in and around we walk around, we walk kilometers on that day. And this is what this thing is all about. If you will line, you now, yeah, come over line, all. If you will line, employees, we are all the employees. You employ all the one clean the gutter. Then get drainage. Fix water. Sorry, I'm not going to my beloved name. I'm a man that we are running one day, one day, I let them have. People don't want to die. I don't want to say I'm going to die. But they don't want to slow. I don't want to. So I got to make that one special. And then I want to know that. And then they don't know about that. They don't need it. I'm quite good with it. And I hope you are I was saying to myself, I wish I would have I would love to watch it over and over. Because now, for the account I can make on the Equia. I go window to the apartment. One knowledge is assistant, 1 to 4. Okay. Thank you, my Lord. Young people, the CI need that. But I don't have the guy nor I will have servants. And they will do one. I go ready for all the year like that. I love Bishop, but I don't really have the one. I don't know. We'll wait for you. I'm like, okay, they don't believe in us. We don't know when God got me. And not by every problem in life. I think you got feedback in your work again. My wife went on. Where we move on Saturday. Every problem in your life. I was at the day of visit everyone. I don't know. I'm thinking of how it is overall. I am I said the government from my God. Because very important. I said not the 2 questions I can identify the government. But already well, I only I am we will not use it for celebration. We will not use it for battle. We use it to fix fundamental needs of the poor. I know the poor also. Now, I will say that I am asking to only then no. It's quite big surprise. I'm not guessing it. But there's we got all. Yes, and so on. Then this is the one that I but don't want that. Don't want that. The only group I told Eva, come, I am there, most of them, and I'm not. I did visit Eva on Tuesday. I had not been there for more than 2 years. Where's how many people have politics? What kind of politics? I asked because he said photo with them. He said photo in social media. He goes on but I don't have politics. I visited after 2 years. Tuesday, I'm going to go where what was it? That's what I'm so I can't do this. And then I I think the Lord will back it on together. And then the back and take away back. And then everybody said, maybe I am my time. What would every fool get from that is but then you go now, also say, I think that people with that. I know people when we buy now, where is your please join me. I will okay, okay, I am going to this order I am a time for I this is there is ahead. I don't know. I don't really know where they're at. Okay. And we will follow on primary three. What I am on primary three, where we found a good people. When I get Thank you. I'll be happy. Thank you very much. God bless you.